back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the BoxyCharm for the month of July. So if you want to know what's in this box, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alrighty, where is my stocking cap? I mean, oh my goodness, we're not doing no red review, girl. Okay, y'all, I'm back. The first one I'm going to be doing is the Dr. Brent No Needles No More No More Baggage. This is basically like an eye depuffer gel. It retails for $42. This was one of those items where you had to where they're gonna send you either this or another item. I was so happy when I opened up my box and got this because I was gonna be heated if I got the other one because I wanted this. So yeah, sorry, I just got so worked up because I was in my feelings about when they said you're gonna get either or. Like, no, don't do that, don't do that. But they did that. Okay, so let's do the next one. The next one is the... Why do I always gotta drop shit? Okay, the next one is the Crown Brush Fugu Eyeshadow Collection. It retails for $29.99. And so this one was one of the other things where they was gonna send you an either or. Please, I hope we don't do this next month. If we do, hopefully I get what I want, like I did this month. So this is the Crown Brushes palette, and here's the swatches. You see already on it. But this right here is the last shade. You probably won't even see it. I'm too chocolate, y'all. This is basically a shimmer. This is a matte, and this is like a matte burgundy mixed with a brown. And this is like a gold. Probably can't even see that. And then this is like, you catch the drift. This is how it looks, y'all. So I did do some reviews on this palette. I looked at other unboxings. They were saying that you have to build up the color on this palette. But it is a nice palette, they said, but you just have to build up on using the colors. And for the price, you basically only pay $21 and you're getting all these products, so you're not going to be losing worth nothing, boo. And anyway, let's go to the next one. The next one is the No Cosmetics Luminous Silk Blusher. This retails for $11.99. And as you can see, I got some on. You probably can't see, but I put some on right here. Please don't come for me because I don't wear blush, and I just put it right here where I normally put my highlighter and bronze. But yeah, let me open this and show it to you guys because I'm pretty sure you want to see what it look like. I know I ain't this weak, bro. I know I ain't this weak, boo. This is the color, and let me show you again how it looks. Like I said, don't come for me, y'all. I'm just a test dummy right now. Y'all see that? I'm gonna use this. At first, when I saw this, I was like intimidated by it because I'm like, ooh, that's gonna be too light. I don't know if I'm gonna be looking, you know, weird. Look like a clown, you know. And is that the last one? No. Oh, and this one is the mascara Unlashed Wonder Beauty. This retails for $24.99. And I have some on right now. Let me put some on for camera so freshen it up. You can tell, but when I put this on this morning, baby, I fell in love because normally I use the Stella big, I think it's big, it's a gold bottle. I use that, but for $2 more, like, I will probably start buying this because I really like this for my bottom lashes. It did wonders for my bottom lash. I was like, ooh, okay, we got to get you again, okay? So next one is Where is that thing? 1 second, I dropped it. Okay, I'm back. So next one is the Shelly taupe eyeshadow cream. This one is a taupe color, so I won't be able to use it, so I'm gonna have to give it to my friend. She would be happy to have 2 of these, you know, because she has Ipsy too. She would love to have 2 of these. So I'm gonna give these to her. It will fit her complexion very perfectly. She's a blonde, so this should fit her. It's like a taupe color. She likes to wear her eyebrows a little darker. So yeah, she should like this. So that one retails for $26. That my camera cut off. So anyway, we was talking about the last item. So that is it for my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month. I am so happy with my box that I got. I'm happy they sent me the right. Let me get in this focus. This camera is just. Anyway. So, damn, I just lost my train of thought. Just throw the whole damn video away. Okay, let's just try this again. Jump right into it. So yeah, that's all the items for the unboxing. You know, BoxyCharm been doing their thing though when it comes to picking out these items. I am so happy with getting these items. You know, with Ipsy, you be like, I don't know about this. You can use like one product. Sometimes when I used to get Ipsy, I'd be like, man, I can't use none of this shit. But you know, when you get BoxyCharm, you be like, okay. So yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now about this BoxyCharm. So thank you guys for watching to the end. Please like and subscribe. I am new to YouTube, so I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and like and comment. If you have any tips, advice on what I should do or whatnot,